How to set up tallyprime. Tallyprime helps you to set up different preferences based on your business needs. Once you have created your company, you can choose to open your company automatically next time you open tallyprime. Similarly, you can set your company's data path, predefine your invoice printing, emailing, and exporting preferences. Load companies on startup. In tallyprime, you can choose one or more companies to open by default without you having to select and open each time. Press F1, then go to settings, then select startup. The startup settings screen appears as shown in the screen. Set load companies on startup to yes. Select companies to load and press enter. Select the companies you want to load on startup. If your company is not listed in the path that appears, you can select companies from other paths in your computer. Browse to the path where your company data is stored and press enter. Select the companies that you want to load. Under company name, select end of list once you have selected the companies and press enter. The startup settings screen displays the number of companies you have selected. Press escape. Next time you open tallyprime, the companies that you had set to open on startup will be loaded automatically. Set up company data path. Every time you create a company, tallyprime saves your company data in the default path. Based on your needs, you may need to select the data path where you want to store the company data. You can set up the company data path in tallyprime so that next time you create a company, tallyprime considers that path as default. You can also predefine the path where you can back up your company data when required. Press Alt plus Y, select data path, select company data path or company backup path as needed and set the preferred path. Auto login to your companies. You might be maintaining more than one companies and you have set the same username and password to log into each company. Instead of entering the username and password for each company separately, you can opt to access the company data in one go. Set enable auto login for companies with same credentials to yes. Next time you log into one of the companies, when you open other companies with the same credentials, you will not need to enter the credentials. Language settings in tallyprime. Press F1, go to settings, then select language. Select display language and press enter. Select the required display language for viewing your company data and press enter. Data entry language. Press F1, go to settings, select language, select data entry language and press enter. Select the data entry language based on your preference and press enter. You can now enter data in your masters and transactions in the selected language. Create multiple addresses for company. The multi addresses feature in tallyprime allows you to maintain multiple mailing details for your company and parties. Create multiple addresses for your company and print them in invoices and reports. Also, you can print the addresses of your branches or locations in your commercial invoices and reports as required. To create multiple addresses for the company, press F11, set the option Enable Multiple Addresses to Yes. Alternatively, from the Company Features Alteration screen, press Ctrl+I for more details. The address type screen appears as shown. In the address type screen, provide multiple addresses for your company. While your cursor is on primary, press enter to view or update the address if needed. Please note, the primary address type has the mailing details provided in the company creation screen. You can alter the primary mailing details from this screen if required. On moving to the next line, type a name for the address type and enter, and type the address details such as mailing name, address, PIN code, and so on. Press enter to accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl+A to save. You can add as many addresses as per your business requirement. After adding multiple addresses, you can use the address in the invoices while printing, exporting, and emailing. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.